Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you how the Berserker Instinct upgrade works in Grow a Garden Game of Roblox BCP event update part 4. So guys, basically the Berserker Instinct is an offensive combat upgrade that helps your bees deal more damage when they are under pressure. The idea behind this upgrade is simple. As your bees get closer to being defeated, they become more dangerous and can deal increased damage to enemies. Let me open up the upgrade tree first and open up the combat. Okay, and this makes the Berserker Instinct especially useful during top dungeon waves and Wasp King boss fights where your bees are constantly taking damage. Think of it as a comeback mechanic for your bee army. Instead of becoming weaker when their health gets low, your bees can hit harder and help eliminate enemies faster. Okay, and for the Berserker Instinct, you need 64k honey coins. And of course, guys, this upgrade works extremely well with survivability upgrades like more health, lifesteal, bee spawn, and last 10. More health keeps your bees alive longer. Lifesteal helps them recover health while fighting. Less tend give them a chance to survive fatal damage. And Berserker Instinct lets them deal even more damage during those dangerous moments. Because of this combination, many players consider Berserker Instinct one of the best upgrades for pushing higher dungeon waves and defeating bosses faster. If you're looking to increase your damage output and clear waves more efficiently, Berserker Instinct is definitely an upgrade worth unlocking. And okay guys, that's it for the guide. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Grow a Garden tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!